Hello everyone. Welcome to the Digital Skilling Preparation course. In this video, we will see how to add header, footer and page numbers to the Google Documents. To make a Google document look more professional, you could add headers and footers and also include page numbers in it. Headers and footers are very useful when you want a certain detail to appear on every page of the document, such as the title of the document, name of the organization, etc. Let us first see how to add headers. You can insert a header by double-clicking in the top margin or selecting it from Insert menu, and then selecting Headers and Footers and finally Headers. Once you select header, your page appears like this. On top of your document, you can add the header details. If you want the header details to be shown only on the first page, then you have to enable this Different First Page option. When you disable this option, the same header details will be available in all the pages of your document. Whenever you make any change in the header of your first page, it will be reflected in all the other headers of the document as well. Next to that, you can find the Options button. Here, you can format the header. You can use this feature to increase or decrease the font size and so on. When the different, odd and even option is enabled, you can modify the messages to come under odd and even pages. For example, I am typing hi on the first page and then selecting different odd or even options. You can see that this message is displayed on the odd page numbers. Similarly, you can add a different header for the even pages also. The second option available is page numbers. You can add the page numbers and it will be visible on either header or footer. If you want to display the page number in the first page of your document, you can enable Show on First Page option. Else you can turn it off. You can also modify the numbering of the page. Whatever number you type in the option Start at, the page number will be displayed starting from the entered number only. If you want to delete the header from your document, click on the Remove Header option. You have to make sure the Different First Page option is disabled to delete the header from all the pages of your document. As I showed before, when this option is disabled, whatever changes we make in the first page header will be reflected in headers on all the pages of your documents. After making changes to the header, you can simply press Escape in your keyboard or click below the header part. Changes you made in the header will be saved automatically. In the same way, to add a footer, you can double-click in the bottom margin or you can select it from clicking on the Insert option from the menu bar and selecting Headers and Footers, then Footers. You can format the page numbers by clicking on it and selecting Center Alignment, and also you can opt to make it bold by selecting the bold option. Hope you have now clearly understood how to add a header and footer and also add the page numbers in a Google Doc. Thank you.